My name is Katie Goddard and I'm in my second year studying English language, and I'm currently a communications and campaigns intern at Escentual, which is a premium online beauty retailer located in Cardiff. I would definitely recommend undertaking work experience whilst at university. It enables you to gain real working life experience, for you to get a flavour about different companies and different departments. It also allows you to begin building your professional networks, so when you graduate from university, you already have connections to certain companies. I would advise students looking for placements to attend lots of the workshops that are hosted by the careers department throughout the year. Not only will you learn tips and tricks, but you'll also meet lots of the local companies that want to work with Cardiff University students. Also, be confident. If there's a company you meet that you're inspired by, want to work with and learn from, don't feel shy to reach out and ask. Had I not attended the self-branding workshop, I wouldn't have met Escentual and had the opportunity to work with them.